Whatever it came in, I don't know.
You better go pick it up. When is it phone?
Does this shit look orange? Cause I don't know. I'm colorblind though.
It looks good. I'm colorblind as fuck.
I mean, it looks kind of orangey compared to my shirt. Yeah, a little.
But it's still red.
Compared to my shirt. Let me see the camera.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about too. That I didn't know the name of the design.
Come on, man. Right in the camera.
Leave me alone, nigga.
Yeah, it is kind of orangey. Cause I'm putting it on the camera. Yeah. It's kind of orange. Who cares, right?
Don't give a shit.
Orange goes faster anyways. Yo, watch out the rims, bro. Just a real.
I just said that.
Yo, it's like this lip kit, huh? See you Yo, I see you, Kevin. I see the vision now. You're making Hong's car, right? Hong's car, right? The design?
Yeah.
Since it's orange.
Fucking shit, man. You're my asshole, man.
Put some heat on that baby boy. It's just camera, right? So Kevin, when we wrap in my car, Derito. Buy the wrap. We gotta go half on that wrap, papi.
What?
Como que what?
Why the fuck do we gotta go half on
Cause
it?
that's how we do, bro. Family. It's like my boy Van Diesel says. What is it?
Alright, the question is, who the fuck went half on me with this?
You didn't ask me, did you? Ah, so you fucked up.
They didn't wanna go half?
Too late now, Papa. You already ordered it. Today.
My nigga, I'm trying to get this shit. I gotta tell you this shit now.
I like how I go for a different angle.
It's not cutting shit.
Are you serious? What happened?
I don't know what the fuck it is doing.
Be careful with that cup, Papa. Alright, I'll do the other one.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. So far, it's a better cut. I don't know what that lump in the bottom. Ooh. That was a rough cut.
What?
Wow. Let me see. Let me see the picture so you can see if it's identical. So far, it's pretty identical, Kevin. Yo, I'm not gonna lie though, on the camera, these both look the same color.
I'm telling you, his red looks different. His red looks like this.
Yeah, it does. Oh, let me see from back far away. Okay, that's that. Make sure this little bubble right here, look.
I don't know.
Now it's good. Please cut it from right there.
It's easier going up or is it better going down?
Going up.
Right?
And they got the 2 Hellcat straps.
Damn, I'm hacking out here, bro. I see you. Trying to find all that porn on me?
It's easier going up, huh? No cascades on? Bitch. That's a whole fit right there.
I know that she died. I know that she down with me. All the money, all the car, know she down with me. She taking off her bra, know she down with me. She telling all the bra, know she down with me. Whipping out some blue honey, she gon' do something. Know a bitch like new money, shaking ass, you love it. Any bitch like you stun. All right to the side, all right to the side. Little shit, now I know that I'm too fried. Fuck your bitch, cause you know that I'm too fly. I got 40,000 on me, that's your whole life. Thought I lost my sauce, I had that shit the whole time. Think she wants Chanel, what's your whole size? Diamonds in the wild, she like cold times. She like all my chains, all this gold mine. Then she gon' die, give me toppy. Talking the rest, she not stopping. Hobbies, this one of her favorite, do this all. Every time that you leave